Yes, this is a Mcculloch Generator FG5700AK, and this is the oil fill right here. That's where you fill it, but that's also where we're going to suck the oil out. If you do want to drain it, I believe that is a drain right there. Yep. Not necessarily going to be easy to drain it in this circumstance because, yeah, just not a good spot. There's nothing underneath of it, as you can see, that we're going to be doing. But you can, I believe, also drain it on this side or something of that nature, but I found it easier just to suck it through the fill plug. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to undo this right here. It's got a little tiny thing. Okay, so we're going to just take and put the hose down in there into the bottom, and they're going to pump her up. As you can see, and we'll just keep pumping it. The oil, as you notice, is not very hot, but it's not that dark. If you look at it in the sun, it's really pretty decent shape. And we're still getting some out. And that's it. Doesn't hold much. Try it some more. We just move it around, see if we get anything more out of it. And that's it, folks. That's all there is to it. Got all the oil out. So, enough of that mess. A little bit of oil here and there, but we'll just go ahead and fill it back up through the fill plug. And basically, once it starts coming out, it's pretty much full. That's how this pretty much works. So we'll go ahead and get the funnel in there and start pouring some oil in. It's going to be a messy job because I don't think I have a small enough funnel for that. So let's see if we can't get something going here. Yeah, we're just going to have to make do, I think. That ain't gonna work either. What can I do? Holy cow. There we go. Okay, mother of all inventions. I think we can do her. May not be pretty, but it will be functional. plastic cup and some duct tape. Yeah, buddy. Well, as you can see, I overfilled it. So we'll just pick her up like this. Let her drain in there a bit. Sort of clean it up. There we go. Draining out the bottom there. Throw some paper towels under there to catch up our mess. We'll see where we are. I know we're definitely over what we gotta be. Definitely overfilled on that one. So we'll suck a little bit out. Won't be too terribly hard. We'll just suck a little bit of this oil out. I think we got her. There we go. Now let's see what they got. Perfect. Yes, it's perfect. Just suck just a little bit out. Oil change is done. Well, folks, that's how you do it when you make do. Didn't have the right size funnel, but hey, plastic cups come in handy along with a razor knife, some duct tape. Get her done. That's really what it's about. It's getting it done. And I got that generator fixed up. New oil, been a couple years, I think. And I hadn't used it much, so it was more or less just changing it to change it because of age. That's all it really was. Bet it over 2 years, it's probably only got about 10 hours of use for me just warming it up. So, that being said, this generator is ready to go. That's it, folks. Remember, like, subscribe, join MACT Garage, all that good stuff. My feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day. And I want you to have a great day, too. Take care, be safe, and be healthy. Holy cow. Look how big those are.
My neighbors up too. Lightning hailstorm. It's raining. It's freaking raining. It's thundering. Oh.
Get over here. Look at that. are getting damaged. That is wrecking our cars.
It's so big!